Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Zoom meeting link. First thing, click on your Zoom app, then sign into your account by clicking on sign in. Okay, so depending on the account that you use to sign in with Zoom, you can sign in with your Gmail, Facebook, or your SSO. If your email account is not here, maybe like Yahoo or Hotmail, there's an option on top. Right there, you can type in your email and your password and sign in. So let me click my Gmail and let's sign in. Then let's click here on my Gmail account. Then go back to launch Zoom. And I'm in. Now the second reason why you need to sign into Zoom is so that your profile picture will show when you are in the meeting instead of your name. The next step is to schedule my meeting. So I'm going to come up here and click on schedule. First I'm going to put the title of the meeting. Party. So that's the title of the meeting. Next thing, we'll come to the date. On the 9th. We don't need to change the year or the month, but depending on the account you're using, you can change it, or when you're having the meeting, you can change it. So I'm going to set. Now I'm going to click on the time when the meeting is starting. So the plus increases it and while the minus reduces it. Take note of that. And you can change this PM to AM by clicking on it. So let's leave on PM, then click set. Then when the meeting will end, that's the tool, we're going to click on it. Depending on the type of Zoom you're using, if the package on Zoom you're using, I'm using the Zoom Basic, which is a free version of Zoom, which only allows me to host a meeting for 40 minutes. But if you're using a paid version, you have more time to host your meeting or your online party. So there's a limit on how much I can increase this time to. So all the way to 9. Okay, and that's it. Set. So you see it says it here. Your Zoom Basic plan has a 40-minute time limit on meeting with 3 or more participants. Okay, so next thing we have the time zone. So depending on the country you are in, you can choose your time zone. Let's go back. Then depending, is this going to be like an everyday meeting or every month meeting? So you can see here it says repeat. So it says every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, or every year. So this is not going to be like a repeat thing, so I'm just going to leave it on none. Repeat option. Zoom allows you to schedule meetings with multiple occurrences so that each occurrence uses the same meeting ID and settings. You can schedule this meeting in daily, weekly, monthly increments. Note, the meeting will expire 365 days after the meeting was last started. So right here it says personal meeting ID. Yep, we put that on. So it says here, it says require meeting passcode. Only users who have the invite link or passcode can join the meeting. So you notice it's green already. That means it's on. So this says enable waiting room. So which means when people click on the link, they won't just get access automatically into the meeting. You will have to now bring them in, like allow them to join the meeting. But depending, if you're also the host of the meeting and you're also talking during the meeting, this could really like disturb you when people say, we have people waiting in the waiting room, please allow them in. So the best thing you can do is you can just off it. But this depends on your choice if you want to leave it on or off. So the next thing we have is meeting options. We have host video on, participant videos on. So you can leave this on or off if you want. So to know if something is on, you notice it becomes green. Right here, it becomes green. Then put it back off. And when it's off, it's like dark and dull. So moving on, it says add to calendar. Yes, we're going to add it to calendar. So we have set up our meeting. All we need to do is to click done. So once we're clicking done, it's processing. So how do we want to send? So it's going to ask us, how do we want to send the invite? To our Gmail or Yahoo Mail. So basically, I'm not going to send it through any of that, but I do want the link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my Gmail. So from here, I'm going to copy, starting from topic. So I'm going to copy all that all the way down here, then cut. So from there I can go back and put it to my WhatsApp if I want to. So you can see here it says tomorrow, you have the time, you have the topic, party with my friends, meeting ID, duration is 30 minutes, and we have the passcode. The second way you can also do it, you can also add it to your calendar. Yeah, you just scroll down and you can also just copy it from here all the way down. So when you're done copying it, you can then share it to WhatsApp, your Facebook, any account. So let me show you how you do it. Now we click on WhatsApp. For the group where we want to post our meeting link to, agenda, then paste it in here, then paste send. So like this, anybody can join who has the link and the passcode can join the meeting. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Hi, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the red button underneath the video that says subscribe. Thanks.